Books closed, tension gone. Welcome to Child Development and Pedagogy, CDP. Today we crack the 2011 PYQ paper, not memorize it. Ready? Let's go! Development is never-ending process. This idea is associated with A. Principle of continuity, B. Principle of integration, C. Principle of interaction, D. Principle of interrelation. The correct option is A. Principle of continuity. 4 distinct stages of children's intellectual development are identified by A. Erikson, B. Skinner, C. Piaget, D. Kohlberg. The correct option is C. Jean Piaget. 3. Parents should play a dash role in the learning process of young children. A. Proactive, B. Sympathetic, C. Neutral, D. Negative. The correct option is A. Proactive. 4. The insight theory of learning is promoted by A. Pavlov, B. Jean Piaget, C. Vygotsky, D. Gestalt theorists. The correct option is D. Gestalt theorists. 5. Motivation in the process of learning. A. Makes learning think unidirectional. B. Creates interest for learning among young children. C. Sharpens the memory of learners. D. Differentiate new learning from new learning. The correct option is B. Creates interest for learning among young children. 6. Which of the following is not a sign of an intelligent young child? A. One who carries on thinking in an abstract manner. B. One who can adjust oneself in a new environment. C. One who has the ability to cram long essays very quickly. D. One who has the ability to communicate fluently and appropriately. The correct option is C. One who has the ability to cram long essays very quickly. 7. Which is the place where the child's cognitive development is defined in the best way? A. Auditorium, B. Home, C. Playground, D. School and classroom environment. The correct option is D. School and classroom environment. 8. The stage in which a child begins to think logically about objects and events is known as A. Pre-operational stage, B. Concrete operational stage, C. Sensory motor stage, D. Formal operational stage. The correct option is B. Concrete operational stage. 9th one. Which of the following is not related to the socio-psychological needs of the child? A. Regular elimination of waste products from the body. B. Need for company. C. Need for appreciation or social approval. D. Need for emotional security. The correct option is A. Regular elimination of waste products from the body. 10. Which of the following will foster creativity among learners? A. Emphasizing achievement goals from the beginning of school life. B. Coaching students for good marks in examination. C. Teaching the students the practical value of good education. D. Providing opportunities to question and to nurture the innate talents of every learner. The correct option is D. Providing opportunities to question and to nurture the innate talents of every learner. 11. Mind mapping refers to A. Drawing the picture of a mind. B. Researching the functioning of the mind. C. A technique to enhance comprehension. D. A plan of action for an adventure. The correct option is B. Researching the functioning of the mind. A young child responds to a new situation on the basis of the response made by him or her in a similar situation as in the past. This is related to A. Law of attitude of learning process. B. Law of readiness of learning. C. Law of analogy of learning. D. Law of effect of learning. The correct option is C. Law of analogy of learning. 13. The best way, especially at primary level, to address the learning difficulties of students is to use easy and interesting textbooks, storytelling method, a variety of teaching methods suited to the disability, expensive and glossy support material. The correct option is C. a variety of teaching methods suited to the disability. 14. Education of children with special needs should be provided A. In special schools, B. By special teachers in special schools, C. Along with other normal children, D. By methods developed for special children in special schools. The correct option is C. Along with other normal children. 15. Dyslexia is associated with A. Reading disorder, B. Behavioral disorder, C. Mental disorder, D. Mathematical disorder. The correct option is A. Reading disorder. Is not a sign of being gifted. A. Novelty in expression, B. Curiosity, C. Creative ideas, D. Fighting with others. The correct option is D. Fighting with others. A student of V grade with visual deficiency should be treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio CDs, given special treatment in the classroom, excused to do a lower level of work, helped with his or her routine work by parents and friends. The correct option is treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio CDs. 18. Which of the following statements cannot be considered as a feature of the process of learning? A. Learning is goal-oriented. B. Unlearning is also a learning process. C. Educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. D. Learning is a comprehensive process. The correct option is C. Educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. 19. Learning can be enriched if A. Teachers use different types of lectures and explanation. B. Due attention is paid to periodic tests in the class. C. Situations from the real world are brought into the class in which students interact with each other and the teacher facilitates. D. More and more teaching aids are used in the class. The correct option is C. Situations from the real world are brought into the class in which students interact with each other and the teacher facilitates. To make assessment a useful and interesting process, one should be careful about A. Using a variety of ways to collecting information about the students' learning across the scholastic and co-scholastic boundaries. B. Using technical language to give feedback. C. Making comparisons between different students. D. Labeling students as intelligent or average learners. The correct option is A. Using a variety of ways to collecting information about the students' learning across the scholastic and co-scholastic boundaries. 21. A teacher, because of his or her democratic nature, allows students to sit all over the class. Some sit together and discuss or do group reading. Some sit quietly and read themselves. A parent does not like it. Which of the following may be the best way to handle the situation? A. Parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. B. Parents should take away the child from that school. C. Parents should complain against the teacher to the principal. D. Parents should request the principal to change the section of their ward. The correct option is A. Parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. 22. Which of the following should be considered the most important quality of a teacher at primary level? A. Competence in the method of teaching and knowledge of subjects. B. Competence to teach in highly standardized language. C. Eagerness to teach. D. Patience and perseverance. The correct option is D. Patience and perseverance. 23. Is considered as a sign of motivated teaching, questioning by students, pin-drop silence in the class, maximum attendance in the class, remedial work given by the teacher. The correct option is A. Questioning by students. 24. At lower classes, play-way method of teaching is based on A. Psychological principles of development. B. Sociological principles of teaching. C. Theory of physical education programs. D. Principles of methods teaching. The correct option is A. Psychological principles of development. 25. The term curriculum in the field of education refers to A. Evaluation process, B. Text material to be used in the class, C. Methods of teaching and the content to be taught, D. Overall program of the school with students' experience on the day-to-day basis. The correct option is D. Overall program of the school with students' experience on the day-to-day basis. 26. According to Piaget, at which of the following stages does a child begin to think logically about abstract propositions? A. Sensory motor stage, birth to 2 years. B. Pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. C. Concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. D. Formal operational stage, 11 years and above. The correct option is D. Formal operational stage, 11 years and above. 27. A teacher should make an attempt to understand the potentialities of his or her students. Which of the following fields is related this objective? A. Media psychology. B. Educational psychology. C. Educational sociology. D. Social psychology. The correct option is B. Educational psychology. Kritika, who does not talk much at home but talks a lot at school. It shows that A. She does not like her home at all. B. Her thoughts not get acknowledged at school. C. The school provides opportunities to children to talk a lot. D. Teacher demand that children should talk a lot at school. The correct option is C. The school provides opportunities to children to talk a lot. 29. Children actively construct their understanding of the world is a statement attributed to A. Kohlberg, B. Skinner, C. Piaget, D. Pavlov. The correct option is C. Piaget. 30. In which of the following stages do children become active members of their peer group? A. Early childhood, B. Childhood, C. Adolescence, D. Adulthood. The correct option is C. Adolescence. Now it's your turn. Drop your answer in the comments. More CDP PYQ Paper 1 and 2 coming next. Subscribe now. Serious revision starts here.